Hi guys, here's a quick Openbox review for Lenovo Slim i7 laptop. It's including 14-inch OLED LED, very good for school and office usage. Let's start from the open box. Here's a very good package. It's actually plastic-free package. On the side, you can see the detailed specs. Let's open the tag and pull everything out of the table. Here's a menu, here's a charger, and here is Lenovo. Look at the package, it's super good. It's all paper packaging, no plastic. And here's a OneNote with a very quick introduction. And here's a battery notice, and here's a detailed warranty information. And this is a one-pager back and forth highlights the key features on the back side and on the front side. So let's put all those menus on one side. So remove the charger from the package. It's 65 watts, Lenovo logo on it, very detailed, 6 watts. Charger with a USB. I really like the USB highlighted with yellow color. That means this is for charging only. If you look at on the back side, it's a lot of ventilation fan compiled with speakers. This is actually support a Dolby speaker with a 5 speaker, the beautiful Lenovo logo on the front. And when you open it up first time, it also give you the support page, so those little protection foam to protect the screen. And let's weight it. It's actually about almost 2.9 pounds, very light, about 46 ounce. Perfect for travel. It's almost 12 inch on one side and 8.5 inch on the other side. There's a reason why it's called slim, because the thickness is very thin compared with quarter coin. And this is the HMI, the double USB-C port, and this is also has built-in camera. You have see camera switch, and also the next one is on-off switch for the computer, and this is audio jack. And there's only one USB-A port. What I really like is the background lid for the keyboard. It's super nice, especially when you work on the travel conditions. It's actually touch screen, 14 OLED LED screen is ultra sharp, very high resolution. And here's a detailed configuration of the Openbox setup. You get the power on, you can see the Lenovo Aurora Edition, perfect for school and student usage. And I'm gonna go through all those detailed Openbox configuration one by one, set up the region like US, also put the keyboard as US. And then you're gonna add the Wi-Fi, put the Wi-Fi password, and connect the Wi-Fi. It's actually, each step is take about 1 to 5 minutes. It's actually, I just fast forward, and then it's rebooting again. Let's wait another minute. It asks you for the agreement, review it and accept it, and also name your computer. The next one is, these are the 3 steps, and each step take quite long. For me, it take almost 1 hour to get all 3 steps done. So I just fast forward, and then what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna monitor how much power through this USB key, so I can monitor how much power. It's about, and right now it's about 16 watts power for the normal usage, even though the power charger is about 65 watts. Right now I'm using 16 watts. And then we just go through the configuration step by step. It asks you to log in ID. For my case, I have to use the Microsoft account. After I input a Microsoft account, it asks you to the facial identification, set up your computer PIN. This PIN is a number when you open your computer. Set up these privacy review, put the certain choices, and you can also, this is the first time I just set up as a new computer, no backup, and then wait for another 1 minute or 2, protect your device, check the option that fit for you, and click next. Move on, you're almost done. And then categorize what you use. For me, I'm using for entertaining. I check the entertaining. For someone, if you're a student, you can check the student. I gotta skip those 365 and also 365 storage. Also skip those gaming options, and then boom, you actually get it up. You know, this is really cool laptop. I really like the size. 14 inches is about the right, and also with the background keyboard lights is very convenient. It's perfect for business and great for the high school student. I really like this laptop. 5 star from me. That's my review. Thank you.